2013 Kia Sorento. I'm going to show you guys the cigarette lighter or power outlet fuse. If your cigarette lighter is not working, this one also has one here in the back right here. Pull this panel out first. This pops right off. If you look at the diagram right here, you have the front right here, power outlet front, 25 amp fuse, and the rear, this one is a 15 amp fuse. The fuse looks like this one. So this one, I pulled it out from the front. You can see that fuse right there is pretty, yeah, that's done. So what you do is you pull out that fuse using a pair of pliers or needle nose pliers. Let me see, this is gonna be the front right here. So I had to put a bigger fuse. It's still a 25 amp though, but it still works. But what you need is a short fuse like this one right here. So to pull out the front, this is gonna be the power outlet fuse for the front right here. And then the rear is gonna be a 15 amp fuse, this one. If you wanna confirm that you're getting power, if you have a test light or a power probe like this, simply touch the two terminals right there. So I'm getting power. This one too, I'm getting power. Let's see if the front fuse works now, or the front socket. So the light's coming on. Let's check the back. The back's coming on too. And that's it. Those are the fuse locations. Check the fuses first. If you replace the fuse and the power outlet still doesn't work, you might have to take that apart and clean the terminals and all that. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.